What's up, Cocofam? We're taking the kids out to the pool right before we do the bug eating challenge.
It's so cold!
It's my son. Don't be a chicken! Are you ready for the bug eating challenge in a bit?
Oh, I'm definitely up there, dude.
You know the final challenge is gonna be live insects, right?
You know I don't mind that. I want to feel that. Dude, I want to be that Timon and Pumbaa kind of stuff. You know, every time since I was a little kid, I saw them like grubbing out on all the grubs.
Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Should be no problem.
We're gonna make it happen.
Oh, definitely.
No, never!
I think I know what I'm gonna do.
No, 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 no.
Go in the water. I had to do it. I had to. I had to do it. I had to. I don't like the camera. You're so beautiful.
Dad.
You're so beautiful. Huh? Yeah?
Are we recording?
Uh-huh. There we go. For the first challenge, we're going to be doing this. Chocolate-covered larvae, mealworms, and crickets.
Oh,
So that's the first challenge. Once we get past that challenge and give our opinion about what it tastes like, we're going to be doing a taste test of this bad boy right here. I don't know if I get the shot. Oh my God, look at that deliciousness. And then for the grand finale, we're going to be doing
These little suckers.
these guys right here. If I get it. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, wiggle those guys. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. They're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. And then not only that, we're gonna actually be doing
the
a taste
cricket.
test of these little buggers right here.
Crickets. They're all under there. They're like,
I don't know if I get my
they're
focus
like
is out of
torture.
whack.
No.
There we go. So yeah, we got like
Like a lot of crickets in there.
a lot of these little guys.
But they're really big, actually, guys.
They're so lovely and beautiful.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Oh yes, look at that. I can imagine the taste test of these. What do you think, Coco? She's like, get me out of this camera. Let's see what it looks like. That's what it looks like, Cocofam.
And whoever loses has to eat the whole thing, dude.
Oh, okay, goddamn, that sucks.
Loses? Ooh.
First taste test, I want you to taste test the chocolate covered crickets and larvets. Go ahead.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for it. Hold on, let me see. It's gotta be edible, come on. It's chocolate. It's got chocolate with a crunch.
You know what? This is more tolerant. Dude, I'm having second thoughts about this, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
They're bad. They're bomb.
I'm saying the same thing.
Do you want to taste one? The queen is coming
Alright,
out.
now,
You wanna taste one? We can taste one.
the kids want to taste it? You want to taste it real quick?
You want to take the challenge?
Take okay, I am not.
Go ahead and take
No, thank you.
Come on, Dominic. Oh, look, he took it. He took it.
Eat
He's
it.
chowing down on it. It's
You like
pretty
it?
good, huh?
You like it. Hot Licks, we go there all the time.
You want to take one? You don't need one?
You guys want to try?
There he goes. He goes. There's another champ right
There we
there.
go, there we go.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
There you go.
I can eat these all day. So like,
So it's not bad.
It's not bad at all. All right, wait, hold on.
I know, it's a brick. It's
It's a brick, dude. It's like if it.
It's intimidating, but
You know what? It might be better than worse than it looks. All ready?
yeah, alright.
Say, go.
it sounds like a.
That sounded so crunchy.
Tastes like a granola bar.
Really?
It's delicious. You got the sunflower seeds in there, you know?
Yeah, it
It's a
really,
mix.
it really does help.
Oh man, you can't go wrong with this.
Oh my
Wormies that are trying to escape.
Alright, cool, that's awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so then,
It's edible, you know what? I'll go ahead and eat this right now.
alright.
Alright?
So the loser's not really a loser then.
Pretty much not. I think they're gaining not all the nutrients.
Oh,
think
yeah.
about the protein in this, and since me and you are already working out, this is a big benefit. Oh
my god. Adios mío. Sorry. Man.
Look at his face. Look at the camera.
Oh god. Is it good?
Feels like a granola bar.
Probably in your opinion.
You give up?
Oh.
Oh wait, almost got it. Oh yeah, I see him. Oh, he's wiggling. Oh!
Okay. Sure, you're able to handle this, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at you straight in the eye when I do it too.
Oh, the captain's ready.
Hold on, let me meditate on this a little bit.
Pinocchio's gonna be doing so much fucked up shit now.
You're sweaty.
Oh,
Actually, it's
Okay, that's one.
no.
Alright, that's one. Shot.
It's a big one.
Oh yeah. I can see those antennae. Alright.
Alright, this is gonna be two out of 5.
Hold on. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go.
Oh shit, did it hop in your mouth?
Yeah,
Oh!
that was.
Here.
Hold on.
Did that one taste like sharts?
No, I just heard a little squirt in there, dude.
Oh!
A little gudgy squirt.
Yeah, it squirted.
Oh.
Perfect.
Nothing. I got 2 of them right here. They're both alive.
Oh yeah, I got it. Oh my god.
This is protein at its finest. Whoa! Oh, that squirt, dude.
Drink some juice.
Oh, dude, I don't think I could do this.
How much are in there?
Alright.
It's alive, all right. Look.
Yeah, you got it.
See, it's alive.
Oh god. Alright.
So, just do it like this. God. Oh,
The silence.
oh.
That's pretty intense.
He's like.
Yeah.
Really? No way. Oh, here, let me save this one. Oh god.
I'm out.
Oh no, wait.
Oh, disgusting. Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Okay, good.
Ready?
Oh, I could hear that. Damn.
Here.
Chisels.
Here's it.
Oh man.
Hold it.
Oh shoot. Are you okay?
One more.
This is one last one?
Yeah.
The other one fell down, huh?
Yeah, because that was.
Oh, dude, that's not cool. I thought it was done. Okay.
Oh, these kids are evil.
You guys are little jerk balls. That's what you are.
Yeah, we didn't want to
that's
shoot it. That was your fourth one. Huh?
Oh, damn! I heard that crunch.
I heard one too. That's so loud.
It sounded like if you were biting into a pickle.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, but like tiny. Hey, Coco, wanna hang out?
All right. So you're good?
Let's hang out. Dude, I think you're always
What kind of question is that, dude? I think once you get past the gag reflex, I think you should be all right.
I know, right?
Oh!
There we go, Cocofam. Oh, look at how lovely! Coco, would you eat this stuff out in the wild? No, probably not. Sass. I'm sweating so bad. Just.
Oh, you are.
I know.
You are sweating. You're nervous.
I'm nervous. I'm gonna die.
It's awesome. The thing's clear as a bubble.
All right. Well, I hate to burst your bubble, little fella. Oh, that one was
Milky, huh?
extra crunchy.
Okay, just go like that.
So I'm gonna give this one a shot next.
When they wiggle around.
All right, that's awesome. Look at that. That thing's a beauty. All right, so.
This one's trying to get away. This one's like always trying to get away. This is hiding
That's,
all the time. This is
Pretty grainy, huh? Jiminy Cricket, no! Taking one for the team.
All right, you ready?
All right.
I'm sorry, Pinocchio.
There you go.
Nah.
Look at me, Morgan. Boy, look at me.
How the hell did you do it? All right. It has feelings. Oh my God, bro. That one. Oh God.
Does it have escape?
Guys. Video that we're doing here, what you can eat to pretty much give yourself self-nutrition in the case of emergency.
This is survival, you guys. Survival at its finest.
Coco's all delicious, like really.
It's survival at its grossest, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. So, you know.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You weren't joking.
It tastes like
Can you
diesel.
pee in your mouth?
You went
Hold it up. Dominic. Hold it up. It's an escape. What? Oh, puke.
What happened to the constable? What happened to the
Wow.
What was all that yellow from?
I'll tell you.
throw this on your chin. Yeah, it is. Oh God, why would you touch it?
Hey, get a towel for Morgan, please.
All right, Cocofam.
Oh, here.
Now that means you have to eat that whole brick then, dude.
I failed.
You failed. You're not gonna be able to eat that. You have to eat the whole brick.
I don't know how you did it, Z.
It took guts, bro. So you're gonna have to eat this brick. Eat it.
Oh God, dude.
Now.
I'll just go with the brick.
All
Is
right.
that moving?
Shut up. Just eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Don't say just. Mmm, that's so good. So chewy, so good. It's so yummy. Yeah.
I want to enjoy this.
I'm good with this. Look, it's trying to get that.
I'm happy Dad just didn't
They're like, no, my little friends.
Oh.
I'm like, no.
What do you think, Coco?
Yeah, what do you think? You think
Coco thinks I'm local. So,
That's all, folks. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much for your time, your patience. Well, screw this. I'm not doing this with you no more.
I know, right?
Bye, bye. Say bye, fam.
Bye.